Welcome to Full Sail University, TPD 2024, Module 6, Data Analysis. The use of Microsoft Excel. This is a short lesson designed by Dr. Eduardo Romero Hicks, to increase awareness of the importance of data analysis in educational settings. After viewing, please think of what educational variables you can measure, record and analyze, with the use of a simple spreadsheet, and write a 2-page project. Turn it in the next time we meet. Let's get started. Data analysis has become an indispensable tool in education, providing educators with valuable insights into student performance, identifying areas for improvement, and tailoring instruction to meet individual needs. By effectively analyzing student data, educators can make informed decisions to enhance overall learning outcomes. Here are some key data points for student performance assessment. Academic achievement, reflected by grades and test scores, classwork and homework completion, and project and assignment performance. Attendance and engagement, including attendance records, participation in class activities, and on-task behavior. Behavioral data, reports on discipline incidents, social interactions and self-regulation skills. Feedback and reflection, based on student self-assessments, teacher observations, and peer evaluations. Tools and technologies. Platforms like Canvas, Blackboard, and Moodle provide data on student activity, assignments, and assessments. Tools like SPSS, R, and Python can be used for complex statistical analysis. Apps and platforms can collect data on student interactions and progress. Excel and Google Sheets can be used for basic data analysis and visualization. Now, these are examples of data-driven interventions. 1. Implement a multi-tiered system of support to provide different levels of intervention based on student needs. 2. Group students with similar needs for targeted instruction. 3. Adjust teaching methods, materials, and assessments to meet the diverse needs of students. 4. Use technology tools to provide personalized learning experiences and support. 5. Address students' social and emotional needs to improve academic performance. In summary, by effectively analyzing student data, educators can gain valuable insights into student performance, identify areas for improvement, and tailor instruction to meet individual needs. By following best practices and utilizing appropriate tools and technologies, educators can make data-driven decisions to enhance overall learning outcomes. So, how can you apply this in education? Well, you can start by using Microsoft Excel, which is a powerful spreadsheet software that can be used for a variety of data analysis tasks. Here is a practical example, using Excel to apply a questionnaire to students or oneself. The Honey Alonso Learning Styles Questionnaire is a self-assessment tool designed to identify an individual's preferred learning style. It is made up of 80 simple, yes or no items. It categorizes people into 4 primary learning styles. 1. Learners who enjoy new experiences and thrive in action-oriented activities are activists. 2. Learners who prefer to observe and think before acting are reflectors. 3. Learners who enjoy analysis, reasoning, and abstract thinking are theorists. 4. Learners who focus on practical applications and hands-on experiences are pragmatists. By understanding your dominant learning style, you can better tailor your learning strategies and approach to maximize your effectiveness. How to interpret the results. Once you've completed the Honey Alonso Learning Styles questionnaire and scored your answers, you'll likely have a score for each of the 4 distinct learning styles. Understanding your scores. A high score in a particular category indicates that you strongly identify with that learning style. A low score suggests that you may not relate as much to that learning style. If your scores are fairly balanced across the 4 categories, you may have a combination of learning styles. How can I interpret my dominant learning style? Activist, you likely prefer learning through doing, experimenting, and trying new things. You may enjoy hands-on activities and group work. Reflector, you may prefer to observe, think, and reflect before acting. You may enjoy taking time to process information and consider different perspectives. Theorist, you may enjoy analyzing ideas, reasoning, and abstract thinking. You may prefer learning through lectures, discussions, and reading. Pragmatist, you may prefer to focus on practical applications and hands-on experiences. You may enjoy learning through case studies, simulations, and problem-solving activities. I hope you feel enlightened. Thank you for your attention.